Hey, I'm Shane for Genesis Off-Road. We've been doing dual battery systems since 2013. We make complete, easy to install dual battery systems. We've got a lot of kits for very specific vehicles. We got kits to fit Jeeps, Toyotas, the Bronco, the new Grenadier. This weekend we're showing off, this is our brand new Juicebox. This is a complete professional grade dual battery system in a box. This has got a 100 amp hour lithium battery inside. It has a red arc DC to DC charger built in right here, and it also has red arc smart shunt, which is used to monitor the voltage and the current coming in and out of it. Now this is kind of along the lines of a portable power station, but this is really meant to be hard mounted into your vehicle. It's going to come with some simple mounting brackets and some mounting points on the box here, and this is meant to be hard mounted into your vehicle, and then you can hardwire your electrical accessories into it. So if you got lights on the roof, you got air compressors, you got fridges, all this stuff, you can run your wires into the Juicebox and connect to the little power and ground bus bars that's built in right here under this little access panel. And anything you wire up here will run from that battery and will not drain down your cranking battery. So the whole idea of our dual battery systems is we're trying to protect your cranking battery from getting drained down by your electrical accessories. So this also has 12-volt outlets and some USB charging ports built in here for plugging in a fridge or something like that. And to hook this up, you've got a single cable. This is going to plug into a port on the back side right here, and then the other set of the other end of the cable is going to run back up to your cranking battery under the hood. So you got a single cable to power the whole system. You've also got an extra port on the back for plugging in solar panels. So if you're running solar, your solar panels can charge up your lithium battery inside. Super easy to install. Check it out at genesisoffroad.com. Over here, this is our Gen 3 dual battery system. This is probably our most popular. This lets you run 2 AGM batteries in the stock battery location. This is a Tacoma over here. But this lets your engine charge your cranking battery first for just a minute, and then this system will link the batteries together in parallel so they can both charge while you're driving. And then when you stop and turn the engine off and the voltage drops just a little bit, it'll separate the batteries from each other, saves this one for cranking the engine later, and then all of your accessories that you wire up to these little power and ground bus bars here, anything you wire up here runs from this accessory battery and won't drain down your cranking battery. So this bus bar just gives you a convenient spot for hooking up lots of wires, just so you're not stacking up everything on your post clamp. Keeps your wiring nice and tidy. We also have a boost feature, so if your cranking battery gets too low for whatever reason, you can't start the engine, you can hit this button right here, and that will jump start you from the power in your second battery. But normally it just runs automatic mode. It handles connecting and disconnecting the batteries based on the voltage level in order to protect the cranking battery.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.